Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive into a topic buzzing through the streets of Zimbabwe and across social media platforms. I'm talking about Nelson Chamisa, the charismatic leader of the opposition in Zimbabwe. Now, Chamisa recently stirred up quite the conversation with a tweet that blends religious belief with his political stance. Let me break it down for you. In his tweet, Chamisa quotes a passage from the Bible, John 3:36, which says, "Whoever believes in the Son has eternal life, but whoever rejects the Son will not see life, for God's wrath remains on them." And he tops it off with a hashtag, #GoDissonant, and a blessed Sabbath wish. Okay, so what's the big deal, right? Well, it's not just about a tweet, it's about the implications of such a message in the political sphere. Chamisa is essentially intertwining his faith with his political narrative, suggesting that divine will is on his side. This isn't just a casual mention of faith, it's a strong, polarizing statement that brings religion right into the heart of political debate. Now, this isn't entirely new in global politics, but in Zimbabwe, where the political landscape is as diverse as its culture, such a statement can be seen as both a rallying cry for some and a point of contention for others. Supporters of Chamisa might find this message uplifting, reinforcing their belief in his righteous path. On the flip side, critics argue that such statements could alienate voters who may practice different religions or prefer their politics to be secular. Moreover, Chamisa's tweet opens up a broader discussion about the role of religion in politics. Should personal faith influence political agendas? How does it affect the secular voters? And what does this mean for the future of political discourse in Zimbabwe? As always, these are complex questions with no easy answers. But it's important to engage in these discussions, to understand where our leaders stand, and more importantly, where we stand as a nation on these intertwining issues of faith and governance. So what do you think about Chamisa's approach? Is it a masterstroke in appealing to the religious demographic? Or is it a risky move that could divide the electorate? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates. Until next time, keep questioning, keep debating, and as always, stay informed.